about this more, but let's actually control the robot. So if we want to go forward, as we said, we type in W and it goes forward. And notice how you can see the camera starts to move, right? If we type in S, which is backwards, the robot starts to move. And it looks like it crashed into our little friend at the back. Now the whole thing is that we can control the robot from our actual home. We can control it not just from our home, but anywhere in the world, so far as we got internet connection. So the actual platforms we can use is Twitch. We can use not Instagram. We could use Twitch. We could use YouTube, live chat features, and we can also just use our actual local terminal. And that's what I'm using at the moment. I'm using a local terminal to send these commands. So that's forward and backwards. We can also turn left by going A, and that turns slightly to the left, and D would turn to the right. So that's the whole idea of the robot. So what I would show you is just a more in-depth look of it, because it's kind of from an aerial view. So let me just show you specifically how